Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to create vTiger CRM contact from new Google Sheets tables row. So let's suppose I am running a travel company and collecting all my customer details in my Google Sheets tables, and then I am creating contact in vTiger CRM manually. But now I want that whenever I add a new row in the Google Sheets tables, it is sent to vTiger CRM and the contact is created automatically. I can do this automation with the help of Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skill. I just need to build connection between Google Sheets and vTiger CRM. Pabbly Connect runs on two principles, which is triggers and action. Here as my trigger application, I will take Google Sheets where the new row will be added in tables, and in my action application, I will take vTiger CRM where the contact will be created automatically. If you want to learn this amazing automation step by step, let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to create vTiger CRM contact from new Google Sheets tables row. For this, we are going to create automation between Google Sheets and vTiger CRM with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect in your browser. After browsing the website, we need to sign into a Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. But if you are a new user, click on sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I am an existing user, I'll click on sign in. And here a dashboard has appeared showing me all the Pabbly applications. Here I need to click on Pabbly Connect Access Now. And it has taken me to this dashboard where I will be able to see all my workflows over here and all the folders that I have created over here. If you want to create a new folder, you just need to click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on create workflow, and now it's asking me for the workflow name. So let's name this as how to create vTiger CRM contact from new Google Sheets tables row. And now I need to select the folder in which I want to save this workflow. So these are the folders that I have created, and I want to select Google Sheets Automations and click on Create. As soon as I click on Create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is Trigger, other is Action. So Trigger says when this happens, Action says do this. So Trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger in a workflow, but as many as action applications as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to create vTiger CRM contact from new Google Sheets tables, which means whenever a new row will be added in Google Sheets tables, a contact will be created in vTiger CRM, which means whenever a new row will be added in Google Sheets tables, this complete workflow will get triggered. So our trigger application will be Google Sheets, and a trigger event will be new or updated spreadsheet row. Now I need to make connection between Pabbly Connect and Google Sheets, for which a webhook URL is given to us, and this URL will act as a bridge to connect my Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. So let me take you to my Google Sheets. Over here, this is my Google Sheets by the name Customer Details, and I have maintained this table which has first name, last name, phone number and email address. And now to make connection, I have to click on Extensions, click on Add-ons, click on Get Add-ons. So Google Workspace Marketplace has appeared in front of us where we need to search for Pabbly Connect webhooks. And over here it is showing installed because I have already installed this in my Google Sheets. But if you are doing this for the first time, you have to follow the same process and make sure that you refresh your Google Sheets after installing. So let's go back to Extensions, click on Pabbly Connect webhooks, click on Initial Setup. So this box has appeared in front of us where it's asking us to enter the webhook URL and trigger column. So under the webhook URL, it's written you can get the webhook URL from Pabbly Connect workflow. So this is the same webhook URL which we were provided in our trigger step. So let's go back to Pabbly, and from over here copy this webhook URL and simply paste it over here. Now we need to enter the trigger column. So it's written over here, the trigger column will be a final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row data will be sent to webhook URL. So over here, my final data entry column or the last column is column D, which means as soon as I add data in this column, the complete row data will be sent to Pabbly Connect. So over here, I will write and click on submit. Setup configured successfully. Now let's go back to extensions, click on Pabbly Connect Webhook and click on send on event. So this step will make sure whatever data we add in future is sent to Pabbly Connect. Now let's go back to Pabbly and over here you can see waiting for the webhook response. Under this it's written, now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do test submission so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. So let's go back to Google Sheets, which means so as to get the response over here, I need to enter data in my Google Sheets. So let's go back to Google Sheets and enter some dummy details in these fields. So let's say my first name is new, my last name is user, my phone number is, and my email address is new1@pablitudes.com. Now, as soon as I've entered data in this column, the complete row data would have been sent to Pabbly Connect. So let's go back to Pabbly Connect and check whether we have received the response there or not. Over here, you can see we have captured the response instantly. Triggered column is column D. Spreadsheet name was customer details. Phone number was this. First name was new. Last name was user. And email address was new1@pablitudes.com. So this means Pabbly Connect is connected with Google Sheets. And now we need to move to our next step, which is action step. So we want to create contact in vTiger CRM. So here our action application will be vTiger. And our action event will be create contact. Click on connect. If you have an existing connection, you can simply go with save. But if you don't have one, click on add new connection. And over here, we need to enter three details, which is username, access key and domain. So it's written over here, to get your username and access key, navigate to the top right admin icon and then click on my preferences. So let's open our vTiger CRM account. So this is my vTiger CRM dashboard and on the right hand side top corner, I have to click over my preferences. And here we can see the username and the access key. So we just need to copy this and paste it over here. And we need to copy the access key. And paste it over here. Now we need to enter the domain. So it's written over here. Copy your vTiger URL and paste here. You can find your domain on browser URL bar after logging into vTiger. For example, xyxz.123.vtiger.com. So let's open our vTiger account. And over here we can see the domain. So let's copy this complete till.com and paste it over here. Click on save. So vTiger is connected with Pabbly Connect and now we need to enter all these details. So to enter this, first one is contact type. So I want to select this as lead itself. Next I need to enter the first name. So to enter this, I'm going to use a process called mapping, which means I'm going to enter data from my previous response. So over here, I have received response from my Google Sheets table. So here I will simply click on Google Sheets and map my first name as new. I'll follow the same process for the last name and map my last name as user. I'll map my email address as new1@pablitudes.com. And my office number as this one. I want to keep the title as CEO itself and then I'm leaving these fields blank because these are not required one and needed for me to create contact in vTiger. So mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in these fields. Manually entering the data will make it static and the information will not change even if you have received the new response. Now we simply need to scroll down and click on Save and Send Test Request. So over here we can see we have received the response. The response over here is success 1. The first name was new, the last name was user, email address was new1@pablitudes.com and the phone number was this. So now let's open our vTiger account and check whether this contact has been created there or not. So this is the app dashboard and over here you can see an option of contacts. On the top left corner, you have to click over here and we can see we have created a contact by the name new user. The email address was new1@pablitudes.com and the phone number was this one. So as to check whether this automation is working perfectly fine or not, let's go back to our Google Sheets and enter some other dummy details over here. So let's say my first name is latest, my last name is user, my phone number is, and my email address is latest1@pablitudes.com. Now as soon as I have entered data in this column, the complete row data would have been sent to Pabbly Connect and the contact has been created in vTiger CRM. So let's open our vTiger account and check whether this recent contact has been created there or not. Over here, let's refresh the page. And we can see we have created this latest contact. Also, the first name was latest, last name was user, email address was latest1@pablitudes.com and the phone number was this. So to summarize this, we took Google Sheets as our trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect with the help of this webhook URL. We add the data in our Google Sheets and received the response over here, after which we took vTiger CRM as our action application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect and entered all these details with the help of mapping. Simply clicked on Save and Send Test Request and received the response as a new contact created in our vTiger CRM. So we have successfully created automation between Google Sheets and vTiger CRM with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.